By the special grace of God, I'll first of all talk about the Ghana people. I am very close to the entire Ghana Kings.
My mom. You all a long time.
And that's all the alleged Igbo King in Ghana, the issue, no, so that's so. Yeah, that's so. Now, baby, I'm coming up with one of the Igbo chiefs in Nigeria. I bet threat Ghana. Igbo Fuano, I threat Ghana. Everyone come on, face no Ga Mantse. Ga treasure account for I should communicate. So far as Igbo King a concern, Omu Eden Simfua be. I bet I want to be them. And I face no bro videos be amwahe. In relation to Nkomana Ga traditional council ebedi no member of videos be amwahwe wo dey akwa real with that question say Ga traditional council any the Igbo King no why na e ka mekore e dey kire Ghana for I Penyah block media mess was say any dim obe like video no other mo subscribe button na ba click notification icon for latest update na ba kire wa adwen dey amame e wo comment section mess was so no actually no for so any be actually it let's start with the issue of Ga traditional council it work here about 5 to 6 days ago issue Igbo King issue pop up na Sam George any Ningo Traditional Council for Edu Communicating Kabumi Kabese Omuti so efa Ningo asase na ma iche se what 50 acres of land no enya no kre omuntu anase bia ema no na Igbo village osi wo si no bibia anya no kre na omukwa no omuma ne king bia ewo ehon nti no omu ebesan omuti enti eba ye no na manfo etwen se ene se Ningo for se omuni papa ya ene hwamo ene na ema no tumi because papa ya no udi nkomo no aflawo or paramount chief ewo aflawo Ashamai or Paramount Chief Ewo Hodmo, Kasua or Paramount Chief Ewo Central Region or Paramount Chief Ewo Domiko Penyah or Paramount Chief Ewo Hodmo, Lam Kwantanai or Paramount Chief Adon Temai or Tese, Papa Ewo Paramount Chief Ahodo Bibi. It over as I say, Ningo Treasure Council or Munimuna. Any why any Nimun, it when I was at TV free Pemunaka said, yeah, Ga Mantse, no, Pia own council any dim. That was a TV free Ga Mantse, anymore. Ga Mantse, Ga Treasure Council, oh my head. Ga Mantse ede ensemfo bi abetubia in relation to Igbo man here or Ghana say na nananom eka. The Ga Traditional Council has observed with dismay recent happenings in the Ga state surrounding an Igbo King by name exp0sed Ihenetu, who has accorded himself king of the Igbos in Ghana. Just say omani ehun nsem bia the abasem to na eba there is a mind bi ono no according to ono the way Igbo King in Ghana I say Nigeria ni a odi born ho safo ni omani ehun bi. At an emergency meeting held at the Ga Traditional Council on the 9th day of July 2025, presided over by the President, King Taki Telko Chiri II, Ga Mantse, and all members, the understated were resolved unanimously. 1. The Ga Traditional Council dissociates itself from all activities of the said exp0sed Ihenetu. There's a 1. Papa na hen for 7 nyina de omu no, omu atwemu afiri ho, omu enimu bi. 2. The council has never recognized anybody or person as a king of Igbos within the Ga state. O just face no, papa no say oye king in Igbo King ewo Ghana hanom no. Ganfo de yenye ntum say oye king, yenimu no. Yenimu no, yehu obi kura say obi si oye Igbo King ewo Ghana, yenimu no yenye ntum. 3. The recognition of persons and their induction at the Ga Traditional Council has always been conditional upon entry of one's name in the National Register of Chiefs. The Ga Traditional Council is a creation of statute. 4. Dr. exp0sed Ihenetu should henceforth cease and desist from holding himself out as a king of the Igbos in the Ga state by way of performing any traditional activities. Omuchirim said, Papa, how was I carrying home as Ohene Igbo King ewo Ghana no? Omu ed was share eto say free na kwode. Wonyai sanse hunni kan. Wonyai sa ahensem wonyi free trim kra wonyi free trim. What I say? Onyi free trim kra. 5. All assigned paramount and divisional chiefs installed by exp0sed Ihenetu should also henceforth cease and desist from holding themselves out as such within the Ga state. Also, the agriculture say, "Wabo my hen ewo Domiko Penyah, Aflawo, Central Region, Kasua, Ashaimai." What I say? Wabo my hen no just say, "Ah my hen nyina no." eno ano obia nyi fini trim ese we man hen e wo Ga state no yi fini trim onya man hen yenimo 6 all traditional and cultural festivities under the guise of importing Igbo culture presided over by Dr. Ezejud Chukwudi Ihenetu in his capacity as king of the Igbos in the Ghana state should cease forthwith. You just say how we see your festivities corner or young festival or yeah any many other festivities or hold it or ni nyina no. On fancy do say abewe ye omu atwa so. It when say my Ghana Treasure Council for e by omu to them say why omu nim papa omu papa we omu say omu nim no say omu kra hu si obi kra si obi Igbo King of Ghana ha omu nim no. But let's watch these videos. On the 30th of October 2012, Yede Papa we etna kunyaso. Naga Traditional Council for Ewo Hobi, they witnessed his coronation. Ewa Accra Mantiso.
Here at this juncture, the same delegate with the low from BBU, the small bed in the middle, will come to the acting president to collect whatever blessing that has been handed over to him by the king of the Ghana state to be parted to him. So, yes, the delegates will be in the middle. Yes.
Yes, they have accepted Mandela as a son, as a king. Thank you, sir. They are going to bring your family, your country, and long life.
Yede Papa we tuna konya siwe ye no. Oko Ga Mantse ahemfie, oko Ga Palace. Ga Mantse ahemfie, eko tia nana. E ma nana hu se akwa yi. This is the Igbo King in Ghana.
Give her to her. My mom. Mommy. Hold it. Okay. I give you one. Anybody.
Afefro no Ga Mantse celebrate homowa eya papa we owumu bi odi Ga Mantse chi pe Ga Mantse tuna wati odi na na chi pe. Papa we say be din komo. Say in case if your videos na go on the 12th of October 2012 no. when one him for no woman. Papa, as a be interview, a case is to pain. As a yadene tina kunyaso Ghana ha as Igbo King in Ghana. The hands of the Ga Traditional Council were all involved. The hands were all involved.
By the special grace of God, I'll first of all talk about the Ga people. I am very close to the entire Ga Kings. Like I said, from 2012 when I was coronated, Ga Traditional Council played a major role. Then the president was Dosaki, who was the acting president of the Ga Traditional Council then. Him and all the Ga Paramount Kings were all here, and after that they inducted me. They inducted the Igbo throne in Ghana to Ga Traditional Council. I give them very big thanks on that. And we moved on to then the president, Regional House of Chiefs, Osumanche, that died, may so rest in peace. We moved on also to the National House of Chiefs that we also met with Togbafede, of which we are very close with him. We are very close to so many Paramount Kings.
The interview for Saye, or cases you pain said, and Sana Obepo my hene, Ewo baby Biano, or call Nana no Manayase, or call the traditional council of that area, Ekwaji permission, and Sana will see me abo my hene.
Called Eze, yes. The way some areas in Ghana, there are kings answer Nana, some answer Nene, some answer Togbe, some answer Ni, some answer like the great kingdom of Dagbon, all those areas. Okay. So the Igbos is either it's called Eze or it's called Igwe, you know. So we made the Paramounts to be aware who we are, what we are doing, and by the special grace of God, the people of the land, you know, love what we are doing because it's within ourselves and also to bring ourselves together. So by His grace, I am the first Igbo diasporan king in Ghana. Then the process of this, our fathers from home, because we have diasporan structure that crown diasporan kings. That was formed by Chief Emeka Odumegwu. So there are kingmakers he ordained, and there are diasporan kings also he ordained, and from there many more was ordained. So we also flew them from Nigeria to come and establish Igbo diasporan throne. So they came here to crown me, the first ever, and give me the authority to crown other sub-Igbo kings under me. So of which the first ever I count was Eze Samuel Ekezie from Dansuma. Second, it says Kennedy Ginikanwa in Medina. The third, it says Chumo Kadibo Aranda Dotema. The fourth is Eze Andrew in Amasama. And Eze Andrew now, in his village, they have made him a king. He has gone back home. The third was Victor Iminaflao, and the fifth is Tony Olas in Domikpokwasi Ridge. The sixth is Kingsley, Igwe Kingsley in Central Region. The seventh is Abuchi in Kaswa. And the eighth is Kingsley also in Ashama. And the last, but not the least, that we did December 22nd, that is in Tamale, as Collins. So all these are under me being their head. So, and the purpose of all this is for we to bring our people in those areas close to themselves, because only me cannot see to everybody. So we'll portion these different areas where people are. Before we do this, we'll go to the paramountcy of that area to let them know what we want to do, ask them for the traditional rites we should do for them, we'll do it. And they will also induct our people that we count over there in his kingdom, and we also perform our traditional rites as Igbo people. They do that before we do ours. That shows that the owners of the land has welcomed you to be a foreign chief in their land.
So, looking at the term or the name Igbo apprenticeship, would you say it has contributed to the successful entrepreneurship that we see amongst the Igbo people?
Yes.
What do you have to say about that?
The apprentice formation has brought wealth in the people of Igbo.
Okay.
Reasons are a lot.
Yeah.
If an Igbo man come now, maybe here in East Legon, maybe he has come to sell beads in a small shop.
Yeah.
Tomorrow, he will go home to bring somebody from another home, not his own mother's house, from another home, to come and teach him how to sell beads. Maybe he's living in a small room. Next time, he bring another person. Maybe within 6 months, has brought 1 or 2 people to teach them how to sell these beads. Now, this is my hope. The next
videos when you na etwegu why pay all these interviews a eguno bibia di adanse ese na nonom enim papa we, but edu di ade no ga traditional kind of was yenyi ni ese papa we omuni mu no edu anim guase ba de yenyi ni ese omuni papa we omuni mu no na ho be de fini crew abe kwasadi Ghana's as without support from without support from the indigents. Videos in Chantro. Papa inie. Videos in Chantro. Homo festival na no odi mubi. Only Ga Mantse odi mubi. Papa ya pa Ga Mantse ho nyina wa himfia betia. What I say? Videos when me dia dance say Ga Traditional Council enim papa we. But communicate a omudi aba no mti say omuni mo no. Edom si enyinde. Ese omo enimo. Now prior to this issue no, one of the Igbo chiefs in Nigeria has sent a warning to Ghana for. Let me go tell you my orca.
Igbo TV, viewers all over the world. My name is Chief Dr. Exp0sed, CEO Oram Global Farms Limited. God bless you.
All right, what we'll come to hear from you is about the bloggers, what they are saying concerning Igbo tradition and culture in Ghana. We want to hear from you, your view. I believe you have heard about it. We haven't seen from the mainstream media. So what do you have to tell us about that, Chief?
Thank you very much. What I have to say about that is that it is a sort of advice, because when you attack tradition, the attack is not for man. The attack is the gods of the people that constitutes this tradition. So if you're a blogger and you are attacking people's tradition and culture, know it that you are attacking the gods of that tradition and culture, and you know the consequences. What I see about the bloggers is that some of them, when you give them money, they don't care about the consequences of what you engage them to write. They just go on and say whatever they want to say. But in regards to the news making round the social media about the Igbo tradition and culture in Ghana, I want to say that we Igbos are proud people, and we respect our tradition and culture so very much that wherever we go around the world, we go with our tradition and culture because we honor it. our tradition and culture is our identity. Came to other nationals, including Ghanaians alike. Ghanaians celebrate their tradition and culture and they respect it. And because we the Igbos, we see that Ghanaians love tradition and culture, it encourages us also to promote our own tradition and culture in Ghana. And the Ghanaian kings love what we are doing. The Ghana government also love what we are doing because this is all about promoting African tradition and culture, and that is our identity. That is whom we are. So if you are a young person, a young African, embarking on attacking tradition and culture of a people, I think you are misguided, because tradition and culture is your own identity. So you should respect it. We celebrate Yam Festival.
Comment section. To me, party, and someone got treasure card for Canada and Sinimitri. So Mr. Winnie Mono and the Amino Munyan. Second, traditional council, as Omunim Papawia, Omunimono, Omunim Papawi, Omunimono. Despite all these videos, I watching interview why no one is my worker. Videos upon videos, even to the point say, what Ga Mantse him feel in a palace. Omusi Omunim, the Omu Papawi class or your Hini Club, Omunimono. Hey, Omuso Munimono. Tiraja Mami, comment section. I Penyah Media.